Hey there, money-savvy viewers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your online earnings work for you. Today, we're tackling a hot topic: how to transfer money from Junkie to PayPal in 2025. If you've been racking up rewards from surveys, you're probably eager to get that cash into your PayPal account quickly and securely. Stick around, because this step-by-step guide will have you set up in no time. It's easier than ever with the updated features for 2025. First things first, make sure you have the Junkie app or website open on your device. Log in to your account using your email and password. Once you're in, head straight to your dashboard and check your earnings balance. You'll want to ensure you have at least the minimum amount required for a withdrawal, typically around $10, but double-check for any 2025 updates. Next, navigate to the Withdraw or Cash Out section, usually found in your account settings or rewards page. Here, you'll see a list of payout options. Select PayPal as your preferred method. It's often the fastest and most reliable. Now, enter the amount you want to transfer, making sure it doesn't exceed your available balance. Then, input your PayPal email address to link the accounts securely. Before you hit confirm, take a quick moment to review everything. In 2025, Junkie has added enhanced security features like two-factor authentication, so you might need to verify via email or app notification. Once confirmed, your request will be processed. Most transfers hit your PayPal within 24 to 48 hours, though it could be instant for some users. And just like that, you're done. Your money is on its way, ready for you to spend or save. Remember, always keep an eye on fees or any promotional offers that might speed things up. If you enjoyed this guide, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more financial tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and let's keep that cash flowing in 2025.